Press Windows key plus R to launch Run. Now type CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open command prompt with administrative rights. Click on Yes to permit the user account control. Now type or copy-paste these commands one by one in command prompt window and hit Enter after each of them to execute them sequentially. Net Local Group Administrators / Add Network Service. Net Local Group Administrators / Add Local Service. Wait for a while, as this commands may take a while to be executed on your computer. Restart your computer. After rebooting, check if the DPS service is still not running or not. Press Windows key plus R to open Run. Now type devmgmt.msc and hit Enter. Device Manager utility will open. In the Device Manager utility window, look for the Network Adapter option and click on it, and it will be expanded to show the available network adapter drivers. Right-click on the network driver you are using, click on Uninstall Device. Just reboot your computer, and Windows is going to install the uninstalled driver itself. You will have your network driver working fine again. Open the Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, click on Action. Again, click on Scan for hardware changes. Click on View of the Device Manager, then click on Show Hidden Device. This is going to show the hidden drivers in Device Manager. Look out for your network adapter. Your network adapter will have a yellow triangle with its name, as it has no installed driver. Right-click on the network driver and click on the Update Driver Software. You will be asked, how do you want search for the drivers? Choose the option Search automatically for updated driver software. Wait till Windows searches for compatible driver for your network adapter driver, downloads it, and installs it. Restart your computer to save the changes. After rebooting, run the troubleshooter again and check if the error is still there or not. Press Windows key plus R to launch Run, and then type services.msc and hit Enter. Services window will be opened. In Services window, scroll down through the list of services to find and select the Diagnostics Policy Service. Now, on the left pane of the Service tab, click on Restart to restart the service on your computer. In the Diagnostics Policy Service Properties window, set the startup type to Automatic from the drop-down. Now, click on Apply and OK to save the changes on your computer. Press Windows key plus R to launch Run. Type CMD and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Now, click on Yes to grant access to the User Account Control (UAC). Command Prompt window will be opened with administrative rights. Now, copy and paste this command in Command Prompt window, and then hit Enter to execute it. SFC/Scano. If the above command cause any error on your computer, copy and paste this command in Command Prompt window and hit Enter to execute it. SFC/Scano/offbootdir =CJ offwindir C + Windows. Note replace C with the drive letter of the Windows installation directory on your computer. Wait for a while, as the SFC scan may take a while to complete. After the process is complete, restart your computer. Now again press Windows key plus R to launch Run, and then type CMD, and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Now click on Yes to grant access to the User Account Control (UAC) to open Command Prompt window with administrative rights. Now in Command Prompt window, copy and paste these commands one by one in Command Prompt window, and then hit Enter after each of these commands to execute them. Press Windows key plus R to launch Run. Now type regedit and hit Enter. Before moving on ahead to the main solution, in Registry Editor window, click on File and then click on Export and save a backup of the registry on your computer. You can import this backup on your computer if anything goes wrong. Now navigate to this location on the left pane of the registry editor. HK, local, machine own system own, current control sets services DoD PS own parameters. Now, right-click on Parameters, and then click on Permissions to open the permissions for that key. In Permissions for Parameters window, click on Add to start the process of adding your account. Now, copy-paste NT Service JAMMIS SVC in the space under Enter the object names to select. Now, click on Check Names, and then finally click on In Permissions for Parameters window, click on MPS SVC to select it. In Permissions for MPS SVC section, click on Full Control to give the full access. Finally, click on Apply and OK to save the changes in your computer. Reboot your computer, and after rebooting, check if the problem with Diagnostics Policy Service still exists or not. Press Windows key plus R and type SCISDM CPL and hit Enter. Now click on System Protection tab and then click on System Restore. Then click on Choose a different restore point. Then click on Next. In System Restore window, click on the system restore point you want to restore from. Then click on Next. Finally, click on Finish to finally finish this process. This will reboot your system to the system restore point you selected. After rebooting, your files and folders should be restored to the date mentioned in the restoration process. Some recent files may be omitted, but most of the files and folders will be there. Okay, thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.